In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone to a conversation in Slack, an easy way to add someone, 5 minutes. We'll walk through two common situations, adding a person to an existing direct message and adding people to a channel. This works the same on Slack for web and desktop, and the wording of a few buttons may vary slightly depending on your version, but the flow is consistent. Start by signing in to your Slack workspace. Make sure you're in the correct workspace since access depends on where your teams and channels live. For direct messages, open the one-on-one or small group conversation you want to expand. At the top of the conversation window, click the participant names. This opens the conversation details panel. Look for the option to add people, then start typing the name or the email address of the person you want to include. Slack will suggest matches from your workspace directory as you type. Click the correct person to select them. When you're ready, choose Next or Done to finalize. Slack may create a new group direct message that includes everyone, and you might see an option to share some of the conversation history. Pick the sharing option that fits your needs, especially if the chat includes anything confidential. Once confirmed, the new participant is added and can start seeing new messages in that group DM. For channels, navigate to the channel where you want to bring someone in, whether it's public or private. Click the channel name at the top to open the channel details. From the menu, choose Add People. In the field that appears, type the names or email addresses of the teammates you want to add and select them from the list. When you're finished choosing, click Add to bring them into the channel. In public channels, anyone in the workspace can typically be added. In private channels, you must already be a member to invite others, and some workspaces require additional permissions for certain invites. Keep in mind that access to past messages in channels can depend on your workspace settings. If you're unsure, check with your admin or keep your announcement clear for new joiners. That's all you need. Log in, open the conversation, select add people, choose the right teammate, and confirm. Whether it's a direct message or a channel, you'll be able to include the right people quickly and keep your discussions organized and transparent.